This tutorial will show you how to add lines into your property management inspections. First, we need to open up the Inspection Designer program. To do this, we're going to open up our PDspect icon, and then we're going to click on Create Edit Inspection Forms here in the lower left corner. Once the program is open, we need to open up the template that we'll be making changes to. To do this, we're going to click on Open. The template we'll be working with is the Basic Residential Inspection template, so we're going to highlight that and then click on OK. We're now looking at the main Inspection Designer screen with our template open. Let's go ahead and take a look at how to add in a line. Let's say that we want to add a new line in to the Lots and Grounds category called New Inspection Item. Let's go ahead and click on our Lots and Grounds category. There are two different ways to add in a line. The first way is to find a line that works the way you want the new line to work, copy it, paste it, and then rename it with what you want the new line to be called. You can do this process either in the work area at the top or the bottom half of the screen using the preview area. Let's take a look at using this method using the work area to get started. The line we want to add in is going to work just like the driveway line. So let's move up to our driveway line, and we're going to right-click on the circle to the left of it, and then we're going to select Copy. Now we want to right-click on a circle to the left of the line that we want this new line to be entered above. Let's say we want it to be above patio, so we're going to right-click on the patio circle, and we're going to select Paste Line. As you can see, we have another line added in for driveway. The last step is to rename this line. We can do this by clicking on the text piece in the middle of the line. When we click on it, it pulls up the text piece properties. Here, we simply come in, and then we change the name of this to match whatever we want. Let's go ahead and call this New Inspection Item. After you finish typing in the name, you click on OK, and as you can see, your new line item has been added in. That's the first way to add a new line. Let's take a look at the second way. The second way to add in a new line is to add in a new blank line and then build that line piece by piece. For this, we're going to click on the toolbar button for Add a New Empty Line. It pulls up the line properties, and we don't need to modify any of these, so we'll simply click on OK. And now in our work area, you'll see there's a new blank line added in. Now what we need to do is add in the individual pieces that we want to be part of this line. We have several different piece types to choose from, such as a rating, a question answer. We can add in a note piece, a text block, checkboxes, option lists, as well as if you go to add elements, you have several other ones to choose from. For this line, we're going to add in the pieces we need to get it to match these other lines. So we'll be adding in a rating, a text piece, and then a note. So let's first add in our rating. So we're going to click on Rating. It pulls up the rating piece properties. We don't need to modify any of these right now, so we're going to click on OK. And our rating's been added in. Now we want to add in a text piece. So go up to Text. We do need to modify one of the properties because we need to give this new item a name. So let's just call this Another New Line. When finished, we'll click on OK. And lastly, we need to add in a note. So we'll go up to our Notes element, and we'll click on OK. As you can now see, this new line has been added in, built piece by piece, in both the work area, and of course you can see what it's going to look like down in the preview area. You can add in as many lines as you want using different piece combinations. One important thing to note is that only certain line types will work on a PDspect app. If you were to create a line with a piece combination that doesn't work with the app, when you send that template to the app, that line just simply won't appear. The final step to adding a new line is to save the changes you made. To save changes, we'll go up to File, and then we can click on Save. Or if you wanted to create a new template with a new name with these changes, you could click on Save As, and it'll give you that option to give it a new name. This concludes the tutorial on adding lines to your property management inspection template.